Okay, let us start with the left join now. So in inner join, you get all the matching records or the matching rows from the two tables. But when you use a join type called a left join, so obviously you will be getting all the values from the left table, also the matching values from the both. So you get this one. So if you run the left join on these two tables, you will be getting all the values from the left table. So you will be getting this entire table. Yeah, you will be, your output will be the same one. Yeah, so this will be output. But if you have joined it, now you might be thinking like member ID 1 John, what will be the committee ID for John? So the committee ID for John will be 1, and what will be the committee ID for Jane? So there is no Jane here, so it will be null. And for Mary, the committee ID will be 2. And for David, there is no David here, there is no committee ID for him, so you will get null here. For Amela, the committee ID will be 3. Okay, so you get 2 nulls and you get 1, 2, 3 and so on. So similarly, if you write the name also, like name of the committee name, so here you get a committee name, here you get null values, here you get a committee name, again you will get a null value, again you get a committee name. So this will be your left join. So let us do that in the hands-on and let us see how you get the output. So instead of the inner join, let us use the left join here. So let me write it again. So I'm using select, then particular columns from your members table. Let me write members table as M, and left join, the left table name is committees, and I'll rename it as or alias it as to C on what is the matching column between those two columns, that is your name column, that should be equal to C dot name. Now I am selecting few of the columns from the members, that is M dot member ID column, comma M dot name, comma C dot committee ID, comma C dot name. So I'll be taking the committee name also. I will print, or I will get 4 columns from this, 1, 2, 3, 4, and let me execute this. So now you can see you got 4 columns: member ID, name, committee ID, and the name of the committee. Here you can see, and you get all the records from the left table, as we have discussed here, all the records from the left table, and wherever there is no matching values, so Jane do not have any value in the committee table, so you are getting null here, null in the name. For David also you are getting null. So this is how the left join works.